gonna go out and have some fun, right?
Yeah, it's been a couple weeks. I don't know what to do with myself, honestly. I need to get out.
And how exactly are you going to afford all of this beer?
He's okay. You worry too much.
Yeah, it's not a big money situation. I can figure out money anytime.
Grandma, please tell me you didn't give him any money.
I didn't, and you may not get back into the house when you come home either.
Hey, I got some money I could lend him. I work.
Yeah, me and Bubby, we got this tonight.
Yeah?
Just got
gonna
off
be
work.
happening.
Grandma, please tell me you didn't give him the keys.
No, and what about your children? And when are you going to get a job?
I'll get a job at some point. Hopefully not too soon, because I don't really like a job anyways.
Who's gonna feed our kids, huh? You think I like working 60 hours a week? You think I want to be young? Where were you? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done for my life? How could I let myself make the same mistakes that my mom did? Where is she at? She's out having a good time, isn't she?
Let me tell you something, it's not going to be much longer when you're going to be out on your ear.
Might as well get her done while we
You
can.
got my ass every day in and day out, and I'm sick and tired of it. Me and Billy, we're gonna go out. We're gonna have a good time. And I don't care what you say. We'll stay out to the wee hours of the morning. We'll go to every strip club imaginable.
Have all the partying you want. Have all the women you want.
Because, you know, I love to play with bubbles. Because I'm sick and tired of you busting my balls.
Find yourself another place to live.
You put Grandma through so much. I can't believe the excuses she pulls for you sometimes.
I am going to stand by her because I am fed up with you, Bubba. You've never done one thing right.
You just both leave. You're a waste. Just a waste of space.